Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Samsung. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate or Portrait icon. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is here and it says Portrait. That means that auto rotation is now disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on Portrait until it says Auto Rotate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!